What's up guys, my name is Julian, your solar expert, and today I'm going to be explaining this question of what is maintenance exactly when Sunrun and some of these leasing and PPA companies are giving you the sales pitch for why you should do a lease or a PPA versus buying the system. Is they say, oh well, if you do a lease or a PPA, you don't need to worry about it, all the maintenance and everything is included and you're not going to be on the hook for anything. And this is kind of not 100% true, because the question that you need to ask yourself is, what is maintenance? Is this like a car that needs an oil change, a couple times a year? And am I gonna have to do that for 25 years? Like, are you gonna have to come to my house every couple years or a couple times a year just to tweak the system or something? And the answer is no. The only potential maintenance that one could make an argument for is that the panels should be cleaned. And that is not something that is included in Sunrun's maintenance. And most people at the end of the day don't really need it unless they live in a really dirty area where dirt gets caked onto their solar panels very quickly. Most of the time, the rain is enough to kind of wash the panels off. So this goes back to what is maintenance? And the answer is there is no such thing as maintenance. If anything is not working correctly on your solar system, it's a warranty claim. And the warranties, if you buy the system versus do a lease or PPA, they're the same, because Sunrun doesn't cover your equipment per se. Sunrun utilizes the manufacturer warranties, and then if your system is broken, they go through the same warranty claim process with that manufacturer as anyone else would, whether they purchased the system or did a lease or PPA. So this whole sales pitch of, hey, don't worry about buying it, that's, you have all this liability, you're gonna have to be responsible for it, that is just a fear-mongering sales tactic, because they want you to do the PPA. They make a lot more money when you do it. So they can, they try to frame this like they're gonna scare you away from all the responsibility and liability of buying the system, when in reality, there is no maintenance. So another thing that's kind of crazy is on these 25-year PPAs, right? They only oftentimes give you 10 years for workmanship or roof penetrations. So imagine this, you do a 25-year PPA where Sunrun owns your solar system up on your roof, and they're not even gonna warranty it against roof leaks after year 10. Yet you're continued to be obligated to buy that power. So what if you had a problem at year 12 with a roof leak and Sunrun says, well, that's past our warranty period, but you still owe us the money for all the energy that you're producing as water, staining your ceiling and dripping down onto your floor. Like, the whole thing is ridiculous when you really get into the verbiage of the contract and read how they really actually handle these situations versus what the salesman is saying. And so basically the sum of it, right, is there is no maintenance. If there's something wrong with the system, you have a panel fail, an inverter fail, the battery isn't operating correctly, these are going to be normal warranty claims just like any other time when the system has been purchased, and usually it's the contractor going through the process with the manufacturer to fulfill that for you. So if you've been in the market for solar and you've either had a quote from Sunrun and you want to see what a good purchase option to compete against that would be, or in general, you just want a consultation, I actually work in over 30 states and I have a handful of professionals that are all around the country that are experts in specific markets. Every market's different and you have to have a professional that knows that market specifically. So give me a call, 760-473-5878. We can help you out. All my information is down below in the description. There's also a link that you can click on, the jot form, if you want to fill that out. It'll just fast forward the process. We'll give you a call back and get you on the calendar. We don't sell your information or anything like a lot of these other YouTubers are doing. We want to be the ones to help you out personally ourselves and help you go solar. So once again, my name is Julian. Thanks so much. Hope you found this video helpful and hope to help you out soon.